Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to integrate high-performing video slider ads from Hilltop Ads directly onto your website. These ad formats are known for their strong earning potential and seamless user experience. If you're looking to effectively monetize your traffic with minimal disruption to your site's layout, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Join Hilltop Ads, a leading high CPM ad network trusted by over 2,000 publishers who earn thousands of dollars daily. It's a global platform designed to help publishers effectively monetize both their websites and social media traffic. Choose the Hilltop Ads self-serve platform for its user-friendly dashboard, flexible monetization options, and total control over your ad placements. Enjoy weekly payouts with no delays, real-time performance tracking, and access to premium ad formats that deliver real results. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, Hilltop Ads gives you everything you need to maximize your revenue with confidence. Check out the link in the description to register, and don't forget to explore the Hilltop Ads playlist in the video description and comment section for more tutorials and tips. I already have a registered account, so let's log in and get started. This is what the publisher dashboard looks like once you're inside. To get your ad code, simply navigate to Manage Site Zone from the menu. This is where you'll create and manage your ad placements. Inside Manage Site Zone, you'll see a list of all the websites you've already registered, along with the ad zones you've previously created and their performance details. To add a new ad placement, simply click Add Zone next to your website's domain. This is where you'll choose the ad type and generate the code you'll need to place it on your site. Hilltop Ads offers a variety of ad formats to choose from. In this video, we'll be focusing on the video slider ad, which is one of the most effective options for maximizing revenue. To begin, give your zone a clear name. This helps you stay organized as you manage multiple placements. While you can set up any of the available ad types on your site, for now, let's go ahead and choose Video Slider. This format displays a video ad in the bottom corner of your site and comes with some great features. Small Blue Diamond works even on websites without a video player. Small Blue Diamond fully skippable ads, enhancing user experience. Once you've configured your settings, click Add Zone to generate your ad code and move on to the next step. Here's your ad code. Just copy it, and you're ready to move on. Next, open your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you have WP Code Lite installed and activated. If you haven't done that yet, no worries, just click on the video pop-up in the card to watch the setup guide. Now, in the left-hand menu, navigate to Code Snippets and click on Add Snippet. From there, select Add Your Custom Code to add a new custom snippet. On this pop-up page, select JavaScript as the snippet type, since the Hilltop Ads code is in JavaScript format. Next, give your snippet a name, something like Video Slide Zone, for easy identification. Then, paste the ad code into the designated field. Next, scroll down to the insertion method and make sure it's set to auto-insert. This will ensure the ad automatically appears without needing to manually insert it into each page. For the location, choose Site-Wide Footer. This will place the ad at the bottom of your website across all pages, ensuring it doesn't interfere with the user experience, but still gets plenty of visibility. For device type, select any device. This option will ensure that the ad shows up correctly on both mobile and desktop devices, making sure you capture all your visitors regardless of the device they're using. Once you've configured these settings, the final step is to activate the snippet. Then, don't forget to click Save Snippet to apply your changes. Your ad is now set up and ready to start displaying across your site. This is how the video ads will appear on your site. As soon as a visitor lands on any page, a video ad will automatically start playing in a small, non-intrusive window positioned at the bottom corner of the screen. It's designed to grab attention without disrupting the user experience, making it a smart and effective way to maximize engagement and boost your ad revenue. Hilltop Ads is a leading high CPM ad network designed specifically for publishers who want to maximize their earnings. With a focus on performance and reliability, the platform offers weekly payouts, ensuring you get paid on time, every time. Currently, over 2,000 active publishers are earning consistently from Hilltop Ads, and that number keeps growing. You can even explore real testimonials directly on the platform to see how others are benefiting. One of the best parts? You have access to over 10 flexible payment methods, making it easy to receive your earnings no matter where you are in the world. Plus, Hilltop Ads has built strong partnerships with well-known global brands, giving you access to premium ads and high-converting campaigns that deliver better results. If you're serious about monetizing your site or social media channels, don't forget to check out the registration link and full tutorial series in the video description and pinned comment. Everything you need to get started is right there. Thanks so much for watching and for your support. I'll see you in the next video.